Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post-UTME past question. Question 6. It says 0.499 gram of CuSO4 dot XH2O hydrated salt of copper 2 sulfate when heated to constant weight gave a residue of 0.34 grams. What is the value of X? A, it says 2.0, B 3.0, C 5.0, and D 4.0. Now this question gave us a hydrated salt CuSO4.XH2O. Now CuSO4 has a mass of 0.346. now that is because when a salt is heated, the water of crystallization evaporates. Now this water evaporates, leaving only the salt. That is why we had a constant weight. So the mass of this is 0.346. So we have that the molar mass, the number of moles of CuSO4 will be equal to that of the entire solution. So we have that what? The molar mass. Now let's find the molar mass of CuSO4. The molar mass of CuSO4. And before I go back, I want you to know that the mass of the entire solution is 0.499. So for CuSO4, we have that the molar mass is 160. We have that also for the entire solution, it will be equal to 160 plus 18x, and that's because H2O is equal to 1 times 2 plus 16, which is 18. Now this x here is the x that is outside. We don't know the number of moles of water that are in this particular salt, in this particular hydrated salt. And like I said, to solve, we say mass over molar mass of this equals mass over molar mass of the entire solution, and the mass of CuSO4 is 0.346 divided by the molar mass, which is 160, will give you the mass of the entire solution, which is 0.499 divided by 160 plus x. Now when you solve further, you have that this equals 0.346 divided by that by 160 gives you 0.00216. 0.00216. So from here we have that 160 plus x equals 0.346 divided by 0.00216. You have that your 160 plus x plus 18x, gives you 231.02. 231.02. Now your 18x becomes 231.02 minus 160. So 18x becomes 71.02. Now your x becomes 71.02 divided by 18.02 divided by 18, and that will actually give you 3.94. Now 3.94, when you approximate, you get 4.0. So the value of x is 4.0. So this salt should be CuSO4.4H2O, and this should be the correct chemical equation or the correct chemical formula. So the answer to this particular question is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Please do ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.